P equals I times V formula practice by KayScience.com. So the power supplied to a component equals the current times the potential difference across the component. The symbol for power is P, so P equals the current I times the potential difference V. The unit for power is watts, and the symbol is capital W. The current I, the unit is amperes, and the symbol for amperes is capital A, also known as amps. And the unit for potential difference, V, is volt, also V. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. This is the problem you will learn how to solve. Press pause to attempt it. The method and the answer will follow. You're trying to work out the power of the bulb. So recall the equation, P equals I times V. You've got 3 volts, which is the potential difference across the bulb, V, 0.1 amps, which is I, the current. You're trying to work out the power of the bulb. So P equals 0.1 amps multiplied by 3 for 3 volts. That gives you power of the bulb of 0.3 watts. 0.3 watts. So recall the equation, P equals I times V. We've got 3 amps, I. We've got 12 volts, which is V, the potential difference. So we don't need to rearrange. So P equals I, which is 3 amps, times by the potential difference, which is 12 volts. That gives you a power rating for this bulb of 36 watts. 36 watts. Recall the equation, P equals I times V. We've got 100 watts, which is the power. We've got 2 amps, which is the current in the circuit. We're trying to work out the potential difference across the bulb. So rearrange for V. V equals P power divided by the current I. So V equals P divided by I. So V equals 100 watts divided by 2 amps. So V equals 50 volts. The potential difference across the bulb is 50 volts. Recall the equation, P equals I times V. We've got P, which is 60 watts. We've got 20 volts, which is V, so you rearrange for current I. I equals P divided by V. So I equals 60 watts divided by 20 volts, which gives you a current in this circuit of 3 amps. 3 amps. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Visit KayScience.com for more free videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.